Hi everybody, today I'm really proud to introduce you to the new portable grills from Pit Boss, the Sportsman 2 and 3 with 2 and 3 burners. Okay, you will see that they are bigger, hotter, heavier as usual with Pit Boss. I will explain that immediately. When I say that Pit Boss is bigger, hotter and heavier, you already see that bigger. Of course, it's a portable grill, but you can really use it, of course, in camping, on picnic, on your RV or whatever you want, but also in your backyard. When you see the deluxe card that comes with the grill, it's an option, but when you see the deluxe card, you can really use it as any other gas grill that you can find in the competition. Okay, those Sportsman 2 and 3 portable gas grills are heavier. When you see the body, it's full aluminum body and it's very massive. Okay, the two grills comes with cast iron grates, so 2 grates or 3 grates here in the Sportsman 3. You can see how beautiful they are, and it's really great to get a cast iron grate in a portable grill. When I say that the Pit Boss grills are hotter, you can see here the 3 burners. Those burners are really hotter than the competition. You have to know that in the competition, when you have a 2 or 3 burners portable grills, they have a maximum BTU of 21,000 BTU. Okay, so this is the power of the burners. Here with the Pit Boss, you get a 27,000 BTU, which is way higher than the competition. So you can be sure that you will get a perfect searing and that you will have all the heat that you need to make a perfect barbecue in your backyard. The Sportsman 2 and 3 get the new SureFire ignition systems. It means that you don't have the old piezo that you had to push to get the flames. Okay, you just have to turn the button. Do you see the flames here? The two Sportsmans come in with the same built-in thermometer. Sportsman 2 get a cooking surface of 2300 square centimeters, and Sportsman 3 get a cooking surface of 3000 square centimeters. Both grills comes with the same ignition system, and both grills get the same grease drawer under the grill. Okay, so you just have to replace that bucket. Both grills also get the same foldable shelf. Okay, so easier to transport or remove. This Sportsman 2 Deluxe cart is very strong. You get the same width as you can have on your Pit Boss Navigator pellet grill. Okay, here you have a condiment shelf or accessory shelf or whatever you want to place here. The cart has been molded to exactly fit the feet of the Sportsman 2, and here you get a security system that locks the grill inside the cart. Here you have the place for the gas button. Now the grill is really locked in the cart. You can push it, even by accident it will not fall. It's very safe. For a premium cooking experience, there are a lot of accessories available for the Sportsman 2 and 3, like this upper warming rack here, a reversible griddle. There is also a reversible trivet, okay, for a classic pan or for a wok. Alright, now you have seen that the Pit Boss Sportsman 2 and 3 are way more than just portable grills. I hope you appreciated the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.